Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and you might wonder why things are actually better today and being protected against malicious websites on the web browsers like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge and so on. And a lot has to do with several types of advances. First of all, the fact that now websites within browsers like Chrome are literally sandboxed, which means that the websites run within their own confines where it technically shouldn't get out. But, websites can have all sorts of sneaky ways of having you click something and have malware on your PC. So this video is just to show you that if you ever go upon a website that is malicious and or does malicious things, one of the ways that you can not only protect yourself but protect others is to report the site. And it's very easy to report a site when you're using either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. On Google Chrome, when you go to a malicious website, you go to the upper right corner, the three vertical dots, and you go down into Help. Here, you're going to see Report an Unsafe Site. And it includes screenshots, it will include the URL, and you can send the website. Now, I'm not going to send the Canadian weather website, but it will be sent for examination. So basically what happens is that they will be looking at it and they will decide if it has to be put on a list of websites that should not be working on web browsers. So, sometimes you maybe have seen that you go to a website and a screen comes red and it says, this site has been reported as being malicious. Well, that comes from this type of reporting. So don't hesitate to do so when you see that you're on a website that was clearly malicious. In Microsoft Edge, same thing. If you're on Edge, you go to the upper right three dots. You go down to Help and Feedback, and here you will have Report Unsafe Site. It will do the same thing here. It will ask you for a special code to submit and enter the characters like this. This one's a little more difficult, but you can also click, I think this is a phishing website, or I think it contains malicious software, and so on. And of course, once that is done, all you have to do is click the submit button, and it will be sent to be verified to make sure that what you reported is indeed a malicious website. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.